Someone who snores, or if you're a snorer yourself, I recommend this queen tape. It goes right over your mouth, and don't worry, it's not gonna suffocate you or anything. It works so great. My boyfriend snores every single night, drives me crazy, and this works, and I can finally get my beauty sleep. And it comes in all different colors. This one's pink, which is really cute. Y'all, this works wonders. So if you're a snorer, anybody in your life is a snorer, get this. It also has so many benefits for stopping mouth breathing, because that can like change your appearance and a bunch of other stuff that's not good. This stuff is great, y'all. Highly, highly, highly recommend.